Hello children, in the previous video we have finished with the explanation of lesson number 10, that is articles. Now we will do the book exercises of this lesson. So take out your English grammar books, take out page number 51 of your English grammar book. Let's start with exercise A. Put a or an in the following blanks. Now here again children, what we are going to do is we have to see the word, and if the word is beginning with a consonant we will use the article a, and if the word is beginning with the vowel then we will use the article an. Number 1 is dash advocate. It is beginning with a, that is a vowel, so an will come here. An advocate. Second is dash oven. An oven. O is a vowel here. Third is dash bench. A bench. B is a consonant here. Number 4 is dash hospital. A hospital. H is a consonant here. So article A will come. Then number 5 is dash dozen. A dozen. Number 6 dash pencil. A pencil. Number 7 dash long time. A long time. Number 8 dash doctor. A doctor. Number 9 dash emperor. An emperor, because this word is beginning with the vowel E. Number 10 is dash orange. An orange. Again this word is beginning with vowel O. Number 11 dash uncle. An uncle. It is beginning with vowel U. Then number 12 a park. It is beginning with a consonant P. Move on to the next page, page number 52. Number 13 is dash garden. A garden. Number 14 is a zoo. 15 an enemy. It is beginning with the vowel E. So an will come here. Then number 16 dash queen. A queen. 17 dash foe. A foe. 18 an elephant. Number 19 an umbrella. 20 a ticket. 21 an angel. 22 a cup. 23 an order. 24 an injustice. It is beginning with vowel I, that's why an is used here. Then 25 a bottle. 26 a picture. 27 an error. 28 a saucer. 29 a kangaroo. 30 a zebra. Now let's move on to question number B. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Now children, here in these fill-ups we have to see where we will use a, an or the. When we are talking about a particular person or a thing, we will use the article the. Otherwise we will use a or an, which depends on the word. If it is beginning with a consonant, we will use the article a. If it is beginning with a vowel, then we will use the article an. Number 1 is dash Nile is dash longest river in the world. Nile, we are talking about a particular river here. Then the article the is used here. The Nile is the longest, because here we are talking about a particular river. So here also the will come. The Nile is the longest river in the world. Second is dash Taj Mahal is a World Heritage Monument. Again we are talking about a particular monument, that is Taj Mahal. So again here article the will be used. The Taj Mahal. Number 3 is Miss Kavita is dash kind lady. A kind lady, because here kind word begins with the consonant K. Then number 4 is there was dash orange in her hand. Orange word begins with the vowel O, so an will come here. Number 5 is dash earth moves around dash sun. The earth moves around the sun. Then number 6 is Mary borrowed dash book from her school library. Book begins with the consonant B. Again we will use here article A. Then number 7 is dash Himalayas are dash highest mountain range in the world. Means we are talking about a particular mountain range, so that's why will use the article the. The Himalayas are the highest mountain range in the world. Then number 8 is, one day Seema saw dash girl weeping in dash park. Girl begins with the consonant G, A will come here. Then the word park begins with the consonant P. Then article A will be used here. Next is, almost every family in a country owns dash TV. TV begins with T, it is a consonant, so article A will be used here. Then last is number 10, dash lot of people are coming to the meeting. Again the word lot begins with the consonant L, so here A will be used. Now let's start with joy drill. Put A or an in the following boxes. Dash ant, an ant. Dash xylophone, a xylophone. Dash mushroom, a mushroom. Dash egg, an egg. Move on to the next page, page number 53. Dash hammer, a hammer. Here, her. Sound of her is coming means H is a consonant, so A will be used. An hourglass, R. Here, H. The sound of H is her is not coming. The sound of A is coming here. Means the sound of vowel is coming here. So I told you that when the words which begin with a consonant but have a vowel sound, then we will use the article an there. So here hourglass means the sound of A is coming and A is a vowel. So the sound of a vowel is coming, so here we will use the article an. An hourglass. Dash flower, a flower. Dash owl, an owl. Dash igloo, an igloo. A car, a uniform, an umbrella. Now let's move on to exercise D. Circle the correct article. A or an apple, an apple. Put a tick on an, or you can underline it, an apple. Then a or an kite, a kite, because it is beginning with the consonant K. A or an owl, because it is beginning with the vowel O. A or an candle, a candle, because it is beginning with the consonant C. Then next is a or an umbrella. It is beginning with the vowel. A or an elephant, an elephant. A or an spider, a spider. An or the books, the books. Next is a or the moon, the moon. The is correct answer. A or an starfish, a starfish. A or an bottle, a bottle. Then the last one is a or an octopus, an octopus. So children, this was all there regarding the book exercises of this lesson. Now children, take out your English 1 copies. In your English 1 copies, take out a new page. On a new page, write on second unit test. Write this second unit test. Then turn the page. Then start writing from a new page. Write the date on the left side of the margin. Write lesson 10 on the first line. Name of the lesson, that is articles, on the second line. Question number 1 is, name the articles. The answer is A and. These are the indefinite articles. And the third article is the. This is a definite article. So children, here we finish with the lesson articles. Thank you.